Hello, welcome to the lesson. We are going to talk about flow of control. Flow of control concerns three issues. 1. Execution of one instruction followed by another one called sequence. 2. Selection of one instruction also called selection. And 3. Repetition of instructions also known as looping or iteration. Let us take a look at an example of a flow of control program. Consider the following program which performs division of two integers such that the result must be greater than 1. Now let us take a look at a program that will perform selection. As we already know that writing any program we must start with the libraries. For example, the library include IOStream for input and output. Then we include the main function. The main function has the body that includes all the instructions needed to run the program. Variable declaration. Execution of int x, int y, and int z will declare variables that will reserve spaces in the memory, that is the RAM. Cin(x). This is the C++ statement which points to the memory location variable x. It allows the computer to wait for the user to press any number from the keyboard. If the user presses 9 followed by enter, 9 will be stored in the memory location x. If the user presses 2 followed by enter, 2 will be stored in memory location x. Cin(y). This is the statement which points to memory location variable y. It allows the computer to wait for the user to press any number. If the user presses 4 followed by enter, then 4 will be stored in memory location y. Then the selection step follows. After data is entered in the variables, the program is designed to choose between two alternatives. Alternative 1. If the number stored entered in variable x is bigger than the number stored entered in variable y, then the number in variable x becomes the numerator and the number in variable y becomes the denominator, and division is performed, that is x over y. Alternative 2. If the number stored entered in variable y is bigger than the number stored entered in variable x, then the number in y becomes the numerator and the number in x becomes the denominator, and division is performed, that is y over x. The result of comparison is that 2 is not greater than 4. It is smaller. Due to this, the instruction z is equal to x divided by y is not selected. Therefore, proceeds to the execution of the alternative statement, that is else z is equal to y divided by x, which means z is equal to 4 divided by 2. Then the statement cout z will display the value of z, which is equal to 2, to the screen. After writing the program so as to compile it and run, you will have to save. You will choose a file location in your computer where you will save the program. You will choose a file name that you will use for your program, and thereafter you will go and run the program. After you run the program, it will require you to enter the value of x, which you will enter 2, and the value of y as 4, and the output will be 2. Now pause the video and attempt the following question.